Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to download WhatsApp for your PC. So let's start. First of all, you go to your any browser, whatever it is. Just go. I just go with my Chrome browser. Okay. So I just go and you have to type WhatsApp for PC. Wait, WhatsApp web web download. Just enter. You can see the download WhatsApp first one. Okay, you just click on this first one. Just click and you just see this one. Mac or Windows PC, just support version Mac for 10.10 and higher, Windows 8 and higher, 64-bit version or 32-bit. You can download just so simply easy. Just click 32-bit or 64-bit, whatever you have. Just click the download. I just click download and you can see I have my download was started. So nice, it is nice. So I have just downloaded this file. So it's so simple. You can download this way. And thanks for watching. Is my channel, subscribe and like or share. Bye bye.